To create an item in Sysbizz software, we need to open the item master. In the item master, we can see two forms. One to create an item and the other to view the list of items already created. There is also a filter available at the bottom to filter items based on the different categories. When creating an item, the first field that appears is a code which is auto-generated to uniquely identify the item. The next field is to specify the type of product such as finished good, manufactured good, raw material or service. You can also add a barcode for the product if it has one. Next, you can give the name of the product and add its description or specification in those respective fields. Under that, there are fields for categories, item types, groups, and brands. You can either select from a pre-existing list or create a new category, item type, group, or brand using the plus button. Here we are creating a new category. Next, we can add item type. This can be done by selecting a type from the list. We can also add item group and brand if there is any. You can set a primary supplier for the product if you regularly buy it from the same supplier. You can also set the minimum level, maximum level, and reorder level for the product, which will be used for getting alerts on the dashboards. The location and rack options are for specifying the storage location of the product. You can add the opening stock and specify the tags of the product accordingly. You can also add the HSN code and cost, MRP, sales price, wholesale price, base price, and PMS of the product in the fields respectively. On clicking Enter button, the details are added to the grid. If the product has multiple units, you can add them by clicking the Add Unit option. For example, here we are adding box and specifying how many pieces come in a box. Finally, you can specify the default units for sales and purchase of at the end of the table. Then we can save the details. The added product will appear in the details list.